Hello everyone, I'm Amir Hossein. In this video I will show you how to download Sentinel data by a script. Search for Sentinel download. Click on the second link and click on the API hub, and in the bottom of the page click here, and in the new page in the opened tab go to the script example, and here there is a script available for you. You can download it from this line. If you click here, you can download the script and you can use the script for downloading your data. I have already downloaded this data. It can be used to download Sentinel-1, Sentinel-2 and Sentinel-3, and for a range of date and time. Okay, here I have downloaded the script, and I have also created another script that utilizes this script. In other words, it helps you run the main script. I will open this script and show you how it works. And there is also a third a script that is a list of points that let me open it. It's a list of points, latitude and longitude points, that you can add as many as new points in this list. This list will be used by the script, by the other script, to specify the points, the latitudes and longitudes of the points that you want to get the data for those points. And the first line is the guidance of these values. The first field is the tile, name of the tile of the Sentinel. Second field, longitude, and the third field is latitude. You can add new lines here, as many lines as you like. Okay, if I open DM, which stands for Download Manager Sentinel-2, here you see we have two variables, date1 and date2. You can change these parameters for your desired data, your desired date range that you want to get the data for. And you don't need to modify other variables or other parameters. The only thing that you need to modify is date1 and date2, which is the range of the dates that you want to get your data. Okay, and one other point is that inside the script, the main script, you are supposed to put your username and password here. So it's a very long script, but here you can search for username by capital letter, and here you have to put your username and here your password. And there are other variables, for example product type, which I have set it to Sentinel-2A, Sentinel-2. Actually, this A at the last of this word means that this product is atmospherically corrected. I could change it to this variable, that it's product without atmospherically corrected. Okay, let me just run this script. It reads the list of latitude and longitudes for the 3 points. It takes a little bit for searching for the data for those 3 points. And if you pay attention here, you can see that it is going to download 2 data for 2 points, and 1 point we had 3 points, but for 1 point we didn't have any data for that range. So there might be no data for your range, because Sentinel data, after it has a return time for 5 days or 10 days. If you consider both Sentinel-2A and Sentinel-2B, it takes 5 days to get new data for the same point. So for our case, we have 2 data out of 3 points, and for 1 point we don't have any data. Let me open a new tab, and here in the product directory there are 2 data files that are archives of the data that are going to be downloaded. (238, 248), and you can see that they are going to be downloaded.